Hello everyone. Today we are exploring PPAP, which is the production part approval process in automotive design from a designer's perspective. While PPAP is primarily a quality assurance framework, understanding this helps designers create a manufacturable, compliant and high quality parts. Let's dive in. What is PPAP and why does it matter? PPAP ensures that parts meet design and quality standards before mass production. Originally developed by automotive industry, that is AAAG standards, now used globally. A must-follow process for suppliers delivering parts to OEMs. Example, take door trim panel again as an approval. Before a door trim enters production, PPAP ensures design validation, tooling readiness and supplier capability. There are multiple elements which the PPAP would fulfill, where a supplier would submit documents like the testing requirements, design latest drawing requirements, their measurement reports, etc. and etc. The key elements of PPAP which is relevant to designers are the design documentation, meaning the CAD models and the drawings, which ensures the manufacturability. The engineering change documentation. This tracks the modification from initial design to the final design. DFMEA, which is the design failure mode and effective analysis. This predicts potential failure points and we will check if there are suitable countermeasures taken for it. Dimensional reports. This validates that manufactured parts match the CAD specification. Example, tolerance and fitment check for dashboard components. Even a small deviation can cause misalignment, making these reports very critical. PPAP and the role of a design engineer. One should collaborate with suppliers to ensure design intent is met. One should optimize part geometry for manufacturability and quality. One should use GD&T to define critical features. Review the first article inspections and prototype validation reports. Let us take another example, injection molding of a plastic part. A design engineer must ensure draft angles, material shrinkage and part tolerances which are factored in for the smooth PPAP approval. The best practices again for PPAP and design collaboration. Ensure early supplier involvement in the design phase. Use robust DFMEA techniques to anticipate potential failures. Maintain documentation consistency across design, manufacturing and quality teams. Follow up on first production runs to ensure compliance with CAD models. And that's an overview of PPAP from a designer's perspective. While typically a quality and supplier driven process, understanding PPAP helps designers optimize manufacturability, reduce defects and streamline approvals. Stay tuned for more insights into automotive design.